Hey, so if your sign up form is not working in Mailchimp, yeah, like it won't load, submissions fail, or new subscribers aren't being added, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your embed code is correctly placed. I mean, missing or broken code is a very common issue. Next, yeah, check if your form is linked to the correct audience. I mean, wrong audience selection means signups won't appear where you expect. Now, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, slow connections can stop form submissions from working properly. Yeah, cached data can break form loading or submission. Clearing cache often fixes the issue. Now, extensions or ad blockers can block form scripts. Try turning them off temporarily. Yeah, other scripts on your website might conflict with Mailchimp forms. I mean, this is common in page builders. Now, open your site in incognito mode. I mean, this helps bypass cache and extension issues. Yeah, sometimes the embed code gets corrupted. Removing and re-adding the form can fix it. If nothing works, check if Mailchimp is having server issues. I mean, outages can affect form submissions. So yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp sign up form not working. Most of the time, it's embed issues, cache problems, or script conflicts. Try these steps and your form should work again. Thanks for watching.